mostly about red rooms and tie-ups. I got her hooked, cause she see me in a suit with a red tie tied up. Rita and Gris, nice to meet you, but time is money. Only difference is I own it. Now let's stop time and enjoy this moment.
One day when my light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
I see the future, but live for the moment. Makes sense, don't it? Now make dollars, I mean billions. I'm a genius, I mean brilliance. The streets is what schooled them and made them slicker than Slick Rick the ruler. I've lost a lot and learned a lot, but I'm still undefeated like Shooter. I'm far from cheap. I break down companies with all my peeps. Baby, we can travel the world and I can give you and all you can see. Time is money, only difference is I own it. Like a stopwatch, let's stop time and enjoy this moment, darling.
One day when my light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Back and at it, guys. It's only been a little bit, but we're here again, baby. Took a little break. Got a little coffee in me. Turn this down a little bit. There we go, guys. So hopefully you guys are all having a great day still, man. Hopefully you guys locked up those gains. Enjoyed that little Money morning session. There we go. Turn that down there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got market open in about 12 minutes, guys. What does this mean? Well, first off, ladies and gentlemen, I'll put it out there and say, it should be a little cray-cray. So I ended up selling out here at the price of 686. We went up to the price, now we're at 719, man. So uptrend kind of just held. Oh, guys, give me 1 second. All right, guys, we're good to go, dude. Oh, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so what's YB's game plan for the day? YB's game plan for the day, guys, I need some sort of pullback. Now, the longs were great. I wanted the longs to do exactly what they did when I was in on them. Now that I'm out on them, I kind of want to see them. I need a pullback. I know we got the push into what seems to be damn near the highs. Obviously, our highs are 488.77. We're at 487.45, so we do have a little bit of a gap to still go. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I want to be able to see a little bit of a pullback down, maybe 664, 646 in that area, one of these 2 points for me to get my next takeoff, the breakout takeoff. Tesla on a big dumper of the day, man. Absolute another sell-off. Taking a look at Nvidia just, doing Nvidia things. Still holding an uptrend. Still going wild. Up to 624, guys. Woo! 624 is crazy. So, chilling out, bro. That is insane. I'll keep Nvidia up for you guys. Oh, baby. Good morning, team. Let's get it today, YB. What's up, base hits? Hope you're having a great day, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it, baby. So, we are all having... I'm having a great day. I hope you guys are, man. Dude, this Thursday, this entire week has been a little bit slower, but I kind of like it. You guys know what I mean? I don't like the new highs, but I like this week. I don't know why, man. It's been slow, but it's been good. I think it's great that we're having very slow movements like this, because this is almost like a trader reset, right? Where you kind of have to be disciplined to really make any money on it. You have to stay disciplined. And I mean, you know, doing that, man, hopefully most of you guys are. Dude, it's great. So, nice uptrend here holding S&P, guys. 487. Market open in about 9 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're looking for a move. We are looking for a little bit of a move. Got that 2010 summer remix on, baby. Got the wind blowing in my hair. Feeling majestic. I'm going bald. Dude, it is like, guys, I don't think that's normal. Just putting it out there. I just, you know. Scared, guys. I can't lose the flow. That's all I got. Kidding. So we are chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. 9:22 in this market. Economic data for the day. Let's go over this, guys. Do we have any more big news coming out? Do we have anything? Oh, new home sales, 10 a.m. New home sales coming out at 10 a.m. Go here, you go here, you go to, boom. Scroll down a little bit. Close that. Go down to 10 a.m. As you've seen, 8:30 had a move. 10 a.m. Now we have a medium move, aka new home sales. So we will indeed see, guys. We will indeed see. I think we're gonna get the move. I think it's gonna be a great time. I think I may wait for the move. We'll see. Last time I said that, I ended up trading beforehand. Ended up having to wait for the move to make any money in the first place. So if nothing presents itself, I won't take it. Up on the day already. Having a great day. Up on the day already and having a great day. So what, we got CNBC loaded up? Oop, excuse me there. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. What do we got here? What is this, CNBC? Yup. I don't know if anyone's going over it. Let's go over it. Wow. Okay, here's a press release for you. Here's something for you CNBC came out with. So we'll do this really quick, guys. So here, this could help it out a little bit, but this is just a little insight of what this market's like right now, guys. So the U.S. economy grew at a 3.3% pace in the fourth quarter, much better than expected. GDP, a measure of all the goods and services produced, increased at a 3.3% annualized rate in the fourth quarter of 2023. Wall Street has been looking for a 2% gain. U.S. economy for all 2023 accelerated at a 2.5% annualized pace, well ahead of Wall Street's outlook at the beginning of the year for few, if any, gains and better than 1.9% increase in 2022. A strong pace of consumer spending helped to drive the expansion, as did government spending. So, guys, we came out. That's what probably made most of this push. The 3.3% pace. So, that came out. So, if I go over here, I go back to all bookmarks, go down to economic calendar really quick before this market opens. Yeah, that's actually really good to hear. So, CNBC coming out with that. Going down to 8:30. Move this over a little bit more. Durable goods order, month-over-month GDP growth forecast was 2%. Actual was 3.3. So that's where it is right there, guys. So Wall Street was forecasting 2%. We beat that by 0.3. So 1.3% we beat their forecast by. So that's really good to hear and really good to see. Right? So with a 2% forecast. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm loving it, man. So basically, the economy's growing, which is good to see. My coffee is still $6. I don't like to see. And our gas came down about $1. So, you know, we make up in some spots. My coffee went up $1, but my gas went down $1 a gallon. You know? So, I'll take it. I'll take it. PA gas is like $3 a gallon right now. You know, so I can't complain. I'll tell you something, though. You gotta, you know, you gotta get a ball in this world to be able to afford even just like the normal stuff, dude. Let me tell you, haircut right here, $50. Yeah, probably was like $30. I just tipped him 20 or something like that. But still, crazy, right? Right? If I go get a massage, guess how much? Probably depends. Doesn't like, you know, what's going on? No, I'm kidding. About 80 bucks. About 80 bucks. Crazy. You want that Chinese food? Yeah? Well, that's still the same price for some reason. Yeah, that's like still like 10 bucks. I don't know why, dude. Inflation went up. Chinese price foods did not. Been the same forever. So, fine with that. But everything else, man. Everything else. Been up. Billy Trade saying you in PA? Yeah, buddy. You already know, man. Gotta love the good old PA. The Amish everywhere. Let me tell you. The Amish supermarkets, bro. That's where you want to go. The inflation hasn't hit them ever. Alright? I'm like, how much is this? They're like $1. I'm like, how much? I'm like, $1. I'm like, okay. I'll take 7. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, okay. Here we go, dude. You know? If I want to, you know, get a snack or something, it's like, whoa. The Poconos, huh? Oh, man. My buddy's in the mountains. Yeah, buddy. How's it going up there, dude? I bet you got snowfall, like, most of this entire time, dude. We had snowfall last week up here in PA, man. I bet these guys, yeah, Poconos, bro. Snowboarding. Getting it in. I think I've been up there, like, once or twice for some camping. Yep. We got about 2 minutes here, guys. 2 minutes till market open. It just melted last night. Okay. Word up, word up. That's what's up, though, dude. That's what's up. You gotta love the Poconos, dude. Yeah, like I said, I've been up there once or twice for camping. I'm thinking about going back up. Thinking about renting a cabin. Going up there. Because, yeah, bro, there was this other mountain I went to. I forget where it was, but it was kind of cool. It was like a little town you would have never guessed was there, and it was tucked away right in the side of the mountain. And it was so weird, but I loved it. Like, it was such a good vibe. So, yup. Once it gets warmer out, dude, I don't know, man. I don't know, yesterday, the day before, I had, like, a golf crisis. I almost was just like, screw it, guys. I'll be back, like, next week. And just went to Florida and played golf for, like, the whole week. I'm not even lying, dude. I was like, ugh. But it's getting a little warmer out. You know, as long as I can hit the driving range, bro. Like, that's all I care about. I don't even got to play a 9 or an 18. Just give me a driving range, all right? Just let me do something. Golf simulators, I can't do it anymore. I'm so sick of them. All right? I can't. How much more simulated, you know, I'm not feeling the rattle in my hands when I'm... Okay, guys, we got 1 minute till market open. I'm not feeling the rattle in my hands when I'm hitting the ball, you know what I mean? You know? I'm not slicing as much. You know, it's like gaslighting me, bro. It's telling me, like, I'm hitting, like, 250, 300 yards. I'm like, yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah, okay, buddy. Keep telling me that. And when I hit the, you know, hit the course, it's gonna be like, yeah, bro. It's gonna be like, yeah, sure. Top golf, yeah. Oh my goodness, bro. You just gave me the best idea for tomorrow. Oh, base hits. I love this. So I love this guy. It's about 2 hours away. I've never been there, dude. I'm gonna go check it out. Guys, we got 3 seconds. That's a great idea, though, dude. I forgot about Top Golf. Oh, my goodness, yeah. And it'll be warmer there as well. It won't be, like, super warm, but it'll be warmer. I get to chill out. Yep. Grab myself a beer, too. I like it. I like it. All right, guys. Taking a look. I want to see what's going to happen. NVIDIA. Doing normal NVIDIA things. NVIDIA seems to fall every day at market open. Guys, okay, yeah, no, yeah, I was right. Okay. Yeah, every day at market open for, like, the last 4 days, I think I've seen. Last, like, 4 days, it always has just that one lower shadow. It doesn't, sometimes it continues, right? Sometimes it does dump. And then, you know, obviously, we've been spiking. But, yeah, for some reason, NVIDIA just has the grit, man. Just keeps coming back. And this is what I love to see on NQ, guys. I want to see that 200 touch on all of these points, actually. View up touch. See if we get that reversal there. Gonna take a look over here at NQ overall. NQ overall coming down. Not at the support level yet. Support level is gonna be 15, 6.2. I'll load this up for you guys. See that? Right there. See that? Dip. Looking for it to dip underneath that. For me to get for potential long on NQ itself. S&P doing the opposite. S&P is starting to come right back up off the little bit of a dip. A little bit of a dip-a-roski. So, can't complain. Can't complain about the Dipperooskies across the board. I'm fine with it. Now, YB, why do you want to see NQ down to the 50? I mean, the 200 day down to the VWAP. Well, because I do think that we're going to hold that up in some way or another, at least that VWAP. So, have yet to really break that VWAP for a little bit of a while since, I would say, it's been a few days. So, I feel confident in that at least. Coming down to it, I want to take a look at NQ overall, getting down to my point as well. Would I take 10 or 5 contracts? Depends on where we're at. VWAP, maybe. It's a hard situation to get behind. I'm not going to lie, guys. So, as you see, S&P, wow. Yeah. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to have patience here. Patience might make me... No, we didn't hit any of the points yet. So, guys, yesterday what happened, why it was a smaller day or whatnot, is if we go back, I'll show you exactly what it looked like. Ladies and gentlemen, going into the market, right here, this dip right here, I did not grab, in which I should have, right? It came down to it. I took the last one. I took a small gain on this one, and then I decided right here, hey, I'm not going to grab it. We're going to see what's going to happen here, when I should have definitely took at least 5 contracts and then just put a stop underneath all of them. Right, underneath, probably near 3.7, 3.650, and then it took off, right? So that's why you always do want to touch those plays, just take them, just in case. And never mind, here is our bounce, guys. And it kind of makes sense. I can't ask for a better bounce. Look at that. I was looking for it to come underneath this point to bounce, and if I miss it, that's okay. I'm off open, and that's why I'm already up on the day. It is okay if I miss a play. So yep. So, yeah, that was my bounce, though. That was my bounce yesterday that I was not able to take. Does not mean I'm going to force trades today because I didn't catch that bounce. Like, okay, anytime it comes down to the VWAP, I'm going to take it now. No, that means I'm going to evaluate the situation. If I'm thinking the same thing, thinking, hey, this could potentially bounce here. We have a bounce here, 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 here. Well, I think if it bounced 8 times, hopefully, I think it's going to do it 9, So, let's see. Wait, watch. And then Bink hits, reverses, comes back up. Bankaroo, done on the day. S&P already doing it for us, man. S&P coming up into play here. 47.60 coming up into play. If it starts to break out and above that, I think NQ will start to take off with it. And I'll say this, and I know I'm not in a trade, and some of you guys might be like, it doesn't make sense to say it, but I really do hope if we are going to pick that direction on the top side, we just take off. Will I be able to get filled on any entry then? No, I'm already done on the day then. Will you guys be able to get filled? Depending on your strategy. If you're not chasing, probably not. You might be able to get in on a pullback. Like, let's say we push 48, 60, 70, right? And it comes back down and pushes like 40. You might be able to get filled on that pullback. If you guys don't get filled on that pullback, if that's not what you're looking for a bigger pullback back down to like 488, it's okay. I want you guys to all know that today is okay, man. Tomorrow's okay. It's always okay to not trade if something does not present itself. Right? And, I mean, dude, take a look at yesterday, bro. Chasing those highs. Oh, man, bro. When was that? That was up here in this area, bro. I was chasing these highs. I ended up banking a little bit, but it was a small amount. It was like $100. Compared to $100 is a small amount on a 150K account. That's why I say that. $100 honestly is like a t-shirt from like Zoomies right now. It's like if you go into the Vans store and buy like, a pair of shoes and some socks. It's like if you like, I don't know, drive like 100 miles in like a diesel truck, It's about $100 right there. All of those references. Back in the day, before I was even born, right? Depends on when some of you guys were born, when some of your parents were young, or when you guys yourself were young. Do you guys remember the days, and I heard about this, when dinner, you could pick a girl up. You could go out to the movies and go get dinner afterwards, all on $20. I could never imagine. I'll tell you something right now, dude. If I could do all that on $20, imagine what 40 would get me. I'd be renting Ferraris for 60, Airbnbs, I'd be staying in mansions, multi-billion-dollar mansions for about 80. All right, let me tell you. But you could do all that just for $20. Take a girl out to dinner and the movies and pay for gas. So have some money left over for gas. It's like, yeah. Yeah, what universe was that in, dude? The different time in history, for sure, dude. $20 doesn't even get the girl in my car, dude. Let me tell you. I can't even pull up to the house on $20. It's like $20 bucks. What are we doing? What are we buying? What? You're buying an inflatable. What are we gonna float down? Oh, dude, that'd be sick though. Float down a river, like a lazy river style. Okay, never mind, dude. YB's getting off track. All right, guys, starting to come back down here. Kind of making an 8s pattern here. Gonna see what happens when it touches. Yeah. Right back up to those highs again. 47.60. I'm gonna mark that. There you go. 47.60 coming up into play. If it can break above it, I would not be opposed to it. And right there, dude, I'm telling you, bro. NVIDIA is just like the same play every day, dude. Little bit of a dump to, spike. And NVIDIA just doesn't stop spiking, bro. And I know it's like, YB, well, why don't you get in then? It's like, well, you know. I just can't do that. I can't do that. Let's not do all that now. No, bro, but it does though, and I say that until, now Nvidia's up to 630 or something, bro. Like, look at that. This right here, you get in right here at 624.82. Boom. All right, mental entry. I'm in at 642, 624.82. I'm in mentally. All right, just gonna leave my marker right there. Now, obviously, I gotta take apart the price of the contracts, everything like that, yada yada yada, etc. I'm in at 624.82. Well, let me tell you guys, I'm buying a Ferrari in no time. I'm in at 624.82. Remember that. 624.82. There you go. Well, guys, let me tell you. The Lambo's coming. McLaren's on its way. Yep. Like, fuck, dude. Oh my goodness, look at this thing, bro. No, that's why I don't do mental entries, guys. So I don't do mental entries. Because then I'm like, okay, what if that was a real entry? I'm like, damn it, dude. So I don't do mental entries, dang it. Then it messes with your mental side. It's like, well, why do you just do a real? Okay, buddy. Oh, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I don't really care. It's fine. Yup, came up to the price of 626. Is that new all-time highs, or where did we go to yesterday? Or have we been pushing all-time highs right now? 628. 628.49. Okay. Wow. Wow, S&P, maybe a head and shoulders pattern here. Can I say that on that first minute open, though? Can I say that that's a head and shoulders? Can I really say that? Tesla ate it. Yeah, oh, yeah, dude. Let's see market open on Tesla. I was looking at that pre-market. Let's see it. Ready? Set. Oh, 186 off of 210. Wow, guys. Dude, Elon Musk, bro, he needs to get off that SpaceX grind, bro. He gotta come take care of his company. Oh man, dude, that is crazy. The fact that at one point this stock was worth like, what is that, $300? This fact that this stock was at one point worth like $1,000 technically, right? Remember those days, bro? And then they had that, what was it, like a 3-to-1 stock split or something like that? I forget how big it was. Hey, what's up, Ronald? What is that? I'm going to call you Ray, bro. I want to say Ronaldo, but it's not. It's Ronaldo. Reyna Lalo. Reyna Lalo. I'm going to call you Ray. What's up, Ray? Hope you're having a good day, too. Hope you're on 2 Spy Prop, Base Hits, Billy. All of you guys, man. Lone Wolf. Printing, profiting, man. Getting it in. So, yeah, SPY is going to be in a little bit of consolidation. This is what I see right now. Bink. and up and into right there. Ladies and gentlemen, can't get much better than it. So yeah, like I said, man, it's been a hell of a week. It's been a little crazy. And when I mean crazy, no, I don't mean massive moves or anything. I just mean being up at these highs. It's so hard to determine anything, right? It's so hard for me to feel out anything and want to really go in with it. So, I've been chilling out. And I've been taking small plays and equal, small gains, but they equal gains. Spy Prop saying dip buy long term. Hey, buddy, listen. Let me tell you. Actually, that's a great point. Let me see where there would be a good dip buy opportunity. Well, immediately I see like 150. 150, not terrible. Going back on the weekly, let's see if I can beat 150. Okay, so like we just broke. With today's candle, we just broke an uptrend. I can't really put that one in, but something like that. We just broke that to the downside. I would wait for probably around 150 to start loading up, and I might personally load up. That's a dip buy and a half. 150 to come into play, right underneath that 200. We haven't really been able to hold underneath that too much. Look, come underneath it, spike back above it, come underneath it, spike, right? So we have yet to be able to hold it, truly hold underneath that 200. And that really goes for a lot of stocks, man. So let's go back to a 10-year, a 50. We'll go 15 years. There it goes. So yes, $100 is going to be also a good dip buy. $150, $100. Underneath $100 for Tesla, guys, is going to start to get scary at that point. At that point, you got to start questioning how the company is really doing then. You know what I mean? Underneath $100, you're going to have to really start questioning the company and not just being like, oh, it's Tesla, it's going to come back up. You have to really start questioning, is Elon really taking care of this company? Or is it really going well? Or is Tesla really putting out numbers? So if you're planning on buying long-term, start looking at the numbers. Okay, we had bad earnings. What was bad about the earnings? What was bad? What numbers were bad in the earnings? Tesla sales were down. Okay. Maybe supplies prices went up. Inflation rate hit. They had to pay more for supplies, but the amount of sales are still at the same, right? They're still registering like a shit, let's say they're doing like, 20, I don't know, let's say they're doing like 5 billion in sales every quarter or something, some number like that, right? Are they still producing those same numbers, right? Okay, they still are good. Oh, but the price of products just went up. Okay, that's fine. And they didn't charge anything more this quarter. Okay, that's why they're down or whatnot. You know what I mean? Okay, that's why their numbers are down. You just have to look into it. Don't just be like, oh, okay, all right, well, let's see. Tesla really been making low lows and high highs on the weekly. Yeah, dude, it's been literally just like, yo, Tesla's doing so good right now. Don't even worry about it. Tesla, guys, we got to start to worry about Tesla. I don't really know. Guys, Tesla's doing great. Don't ever stress it to, well, this might be the end of Tesla. You never know. Yeah, I think we're doing good we might, So, definitely watch out for that $150 to $100 area for dip buys on Tesla. But also at the same time, underneath $100, start to reevaluate what you want to do. Don't load up crazy heavy at 150 and 100, right? But after $50, anything underneath that, I would probably, me personally, I'm gonna start to exit my position, because I'm not looking to lose obviously all the money I put into it. But if it goes underneath $50, I would think Tesla might just be coming down, right? It might just be towards the end of it, and I'll exit my position and then I'll rebuy at a price like, $10, $15. But if Tesla goes down to $10 to $15, guys, yeah, that'd be insane. That'd be it. Now that's a bold statement for a stock that's $188 right now, but it has definitely happened before. It has happened definitely beforehand. Here goes NQ. Kind of looks good for a dip buy. Not getting in right now. S&P would need to hit some sort of support level as well. I like this area right here. I think that that's going to be the VWAP and the 200 day on all of these plays. I think that's going to be NQ's VWAP. I think it's going to be ES's VWAP and 200, and then S&P's 200. This point right here. So that'd be great to see. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna load NVIDIA back up. Tesla did take a dump, guys. If you guys want to dip buy, here's your opportunity. Put a stop loss in, probably about 174, 170, 173, and ride it up. Ride it up. I don't know what your contracts are looking like, or anything like that, but dip buy opportunity presenting itself. NVIDIA, chop hoy, baby. Chop hoy. Got the money man, the stock market man today. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hold on. There we go. Hold on, guys. Hold on. There we go. This is my favorite cup. I made this. You see this guy? On the back of it. It says money market, baby. Can you tell YB's a crafty kind of guy? Huh? Do I look like I'm good at painting? Would you guys see me as a painter? No? No? Well, then you'd be correct. I mean, I can't paint to save my life. Or draw. So, that cup came with the mustache already. I just did the eyeballs. And the back of it, of course. Oh, hit the 200, guys. Oh, man, dude. Fuck. I could just see a takeoff, guys. I might have to...
Order filled.
I'm going to touch it. I'm going to touch the play. I know it's like, YB, is that a little bit of an early entry? I don't necessarily think so. I think we're getting a little bit overextended here. I mean, not overextended, excuse me. Taking off a little bit more than me to be like, oh, hey, it's just another point that we're just going to... No, I think that this could start to really take off. And you could start to see those highs come in, right? You could see it start to take off on us, man. NQ overall, yep. NQ overall taking off. NVIDIA taking... You see what I mean, guys? So, you just got to be cautious on a lot of these plays. Pushing up 95, if we can push that again, and then start to take off above it, up to 700, and then some, I think that we're good to go. So push 95 here. Let's start to break that, starting to break it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Want to see S&P hold up here. So S&P can remove this downtrend as it no longer matters. Am going to wait and watch. NQ overall did just hit its point. Waiting to see if that's going to hold up here. If that holds up, I know that, what is it? NQ is going to start to take off. It's holding up really well. S&P holding up. Guys. Just waiting. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting for those takeoffs. Waiting and watching. Waiting and watching. Oh, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. So I had to get that out. All right, taking a look here. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to get a takeoff here on us. Starting to push those highs, guys. S&P broke out. NQ starting to break out. NQ starts to really take off. We could see these come in. We could see those highs come in. I mean, it's looking great. It's looking beautiful. Just like pre-market there. Looking beautiful, man. Starting to take off. Starting to really rip and run, guys. Right up and above. Want to see it hold up in these highs, these areas? Let it hold up in these areas, man. Let these areas hold up and continue to push. Wow, S&P. Nvidia needs to help this thing out a little bit here as well. Nvidia coming back up would help it. Higher lows coming in on this play. If it goes red to green here, I know we're good. NQ overall going red to green. I want to see that. NQ overall, excuse me. Oh my goodness, I thought we had a gap up. I want to see it hold up in a way. I don't necessarily like. Yeah, I could definitely see that happening actually. Don't want to sit here and hold it out too long just because I'm not sure, and we are in that chop in S&P, guys. So maybe, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. If we continue to come back up here, I'm going to have 2 out, and if we break back up here, we create these higher lows, I'm going to get out. And I'm going to get out 2 of these. And I'll hold 3 as runners. Cuz S&P's holding above here. Yeah, S&P's holding above. If NQ can continue to push up here, I know we got it. Obviously, NQ's different than the S&P. That is true. As S&P pushes up here, though, I would like to see NQ react the same in a way. And we've done this time and time again to where it hasn't, and that's fine. But I would love to see that happen. So very tempted. Waiting and watching, guys. So it's like so close to it, but it looks exactly like NQ. I mean, Nvidia, does it not? You know, it kind of looks like Nvidia. So maybe Nvidia is going to be the one helping it out right now. I think that could be another lower shadow. Triple bottom here. Guys, I don't know. We'll see. I do have my finger on the sell button, of course. Don't want to give up the gains on the day, but do want to be able to get a little bit of a dip buy here. I know Nvidia is definitely leading this stock right now. Nvidia is taking over, leading this stock, especially with Tesla as well. It's going to be hard to battle through this. So I both of them loaded up. One that you guys can see, one you guys can't. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm going to buy another 5 down there, and that's probably going to be near it. I want to see it take off and take back above, come back up to 90 above that. Even Tesla getting up there, guys. Even Tesla getting up there, guys. Even Tesla getting up there, guys. They're all getting up there. Yes. There you go. There you go. Yup. NQ overall. NQ overall holding up. They're all holding up here, guys. All holding up here beautifully. All holding up here beautifully, guys. Keep my eye out. Breaking through its points. Breaking through its points on all matters.
Order filled.
Gonna sell half. Holding half.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it for now. Why am I gonna take it? Why am I gonna take it? Okay, wait. Hold on. Whoa. Before I get into anything. So lost. So basically, what was that? Made $7, dude. Okay, basically break even on it, and that's fine. Why am I gonna take it for now? Just because it's not setting up exactly what I wanted. What I wanted it to do here would have been, okay, hey, come down, dip, come down, dip, come down, dip. And this could still dip. But I'm not willing to risk it and hold below it right now, being up on the day. It's just not worth it. You know what I mean? So, like, just call it. And I'm just going to say, just take your profit where you have it. If you're up $7, doesn't matter. If you're down $7, doesn't matter. Just cut it out. Have to bounce, team. Have a great day. Have a good one, base hits. Have a good one, buddy. Yup, and look at that, dude. Nvidia came down, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, I just speak knowledge. I just speak common facts about this market, baby. All right.
How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is
Get
your
a little
love?
rowdy.
Is it like the ocean?
Get a little rowdy.
Pull me closer again. How deep is your love?
Feel it a little bit, guys. You gotta feel the market out to be able to punch in place. To be able to put your foot down.
Open up my eyes and
You got this. It's 2020, 2024.
tell me who I am.
Almost done with the first month. I hope you guys are all doing good. If you're not,
Let me
you got
in
11
on
more to
all
make it up, baby.
secrets.
Woo!
No inhibition, no sin. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean?
All right.
What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love?
All right, guys. Chilling out. Looking at a potential dip buy right here.
Order filled.
Gonna take it with a tight stop. Yeah, 5.8. Nah, I don't want to see that hit. That's basically VWAP, bro. That's what I got going. I just got a VWAP touch. That's it. VWAP touch, reversal of VWAP. That's all I'm looking for. S&P holding up on these highs makes me feel confident. I feel as if I should be trading ES if I'm going to be taking VWAP reversals, VWAP touches. You know, S&P just touched it. It's coming back up. Wow. I'm not going to question it. Let's see it, buddy. Let's see it, buddy. That's all it is. Simple VWAP touch, guys. Simple VWAP touch. Simple VWAP touch, guys. That's it. Want to see it hold up? Want to see that hold up, ladies and gentlemen? Hold up there, NQ. Hold up there, NQ overall. NQ. Keep coming up. S&P doing its job. S&P holding well. Looking at Tesla, not really coming down. Nvidia holding up. Wait a minute, is it 10 a.m.? Oh, there you go. New home sales came out. New home sales just came out, guys. New home sales just came out, guys. Oh my, new home sales just came out, ladies and gentlemen. New home sales just came out, guys. Letting it fire off. Want to see it hold up here, man. Come on, baby. So close. Okay. Yup. Wow. Looking for red to green there. Take off. Dude, it's just so close, man. Ah, there it
Stump
goes.
filled.
All right, guys. It's what can I say, guys? It's one of those days again, man. It's just, oh my gosh, dude. I'm so sick of chop, dude. I'm so sick of slow moves, man. Literally, dude. The S&P, I'm sitting here like, okay, dude. So such slow movement, man. Overall, dude. It's such slow movement, dude. It's like, bro, it's nothing's wrong with slow movement, right? Like I said, I don't mind this week at all. It's a good week. It's just a snooze fest, bro. Let me tell you, and I know you guys feel the same way. It's such a snooze fest, man. I mean, literally, dude. I'm getting fucking bored, dude. And I might take it if it retests it. Right? Like, I want that break to the top side. 100%. Like, I want it. I want to see those gains come in. I want to see that break to the top side. I want to see a good play. Right? But it is indeed a snooze fest right now, guys. There's only a certain amount you can do, you know, in this market. Want to see a candle close above this VWAP. So taking a look at S&P here, guys. Starting to break out above.
Order filled.
Gonna get filled here on the breakout above these points and see what can happen. And see if it can hold up here, okay? So that's it. Just want to see if it can hold here. Broke the trend line. Broke the downtrend for where I had placed. Candle close. NQ is different than S&P. That's all I gotta say. NQ is different than S&P 500. Once again, yeah, like NQ could rip, run, and take off, and S&P could stay flat. It's happened before, plenty of times. So I'm not really that concerned. I do definitely see this thing coming up. Maybe I should have taken 5, but it's okay on 10. I feel good on 10. So letting it take off, guys. So letting it do its thing, man. Right up to those highs. You know, NQ on this chart, actually, on this one it looks like way more of a move than on this one. See that? Above the 50. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, 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 guys. We'll look for 10, 14. Might put a sell at 700. Yep. As long as we're above that, I'm good. Yep. As long as we're above that, I'm good.
Order filled.
Sold half, holding half.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I was trying to be calm during that whole process because I did not want to freak out with you guys here on camera. Woo! Let me tell you about that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man, dude, if I would have held that. I'm not just going to... Oh, man. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to keep going on me. I knew it, too. Dang it! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that would have been it right there. Fuck. Oh, my goodness, dude. Wow. What a day, what a play, guys. What a day, what a play. What a beautiful play, guys. Beautiful dip buy. Trying to act calm. Was like, okay, if I don't freak out, they won't freak out. I'm like, guys, let's all stay calm. In my head, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's going up. It's going up. It's going great. I'm like, oh my goodness, bro. Woo! So, I know you guys seen that. YB staying calm for once? I know. I'm not. Don't worry. I'm not a changed man when it comes to staying calm. Don't worry, YB's not like that. YB's chilled. YB's nice, mellow guy. Yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah, I don't know what universe you're in. Nah, I'm kidding, ladies and gentlemen. I can be actually, yo, you know what's crazy? Some trading days, I am pretty calm. You know, and hear me out, ladies and gentlemen. You're like, YB, what'd you ever, some of you guys are probably like, what'd you ever do before you started streaming, YB? Were you just like this, but like, you know, talking to yourself 24/7? Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not weird if I have you guys here, but it's classified as weird if I don't, right? You know, just, yeah. But, nah, man, I was pretty laid back. I was kicked back. I made $2,000 or something, man. If I made $500, I'd be like, let's go. I'd be like, yes. Yes. No, I'm kidding. I'd be freaking out, bro. I'd be like, woo, and then I just start, for some reason, man, yeah, buddy, stock. I'd be like, yeah, buddy, and then it's like, oh, shit, all right, I kind of like that. That could have been a dip buy right there, ladies and gentlemen. Could have been a dip buy opportunity right here. Gonna wait for another opportunity to present itself. That was a dip buy off the 50. I knew the view up dip buy was coming in, guys. I knew it was coming in. See where I got sold out? That kind of sucked. I got sold out there, but I knew that was coming in. A view up dip buy. I could see this taking off now. Especially with NQ right at NVIDIA right at its levels. Does look good. I feel like I should wait. I feel like I should wait. I'm 113 off it. Let's not get cray-cray, guys. Let's not get cray-cray. If another opportunity presents itself, I'm about it. Kind of making a U-shape here. I don't want to see it start to fall off. Like, if S&P starts to come back down here, that would not surprise me. You want me to be honest? That wouldn't surprise me. But it looks good. Lower shadow, lower shadow. NVIDIA starting to get the spike up. NQ overall around the price. Yeah, because, I mean, we've been chopping around all day, guys. We're right where we opened up. Again, another day in a row, man. Nice W pattern to the top side. Hit. Let's see if we can continue that action. I'm in on 5.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm in. I thought I was in on 5 beforehand. That's fine. I'm in because of the NVIDIA Spikeroo, guys. That's it. I'm in because of the NVIDIA Spikeroo. Seeing if S&P can hold it up. I wanted to get in right around there, but that's fine. My price of fill, it doesn't really matter too much. I want to see these highs hold. Hold up here in NQ overall. Hold up here, NQ. Let's see this thing hold. Continue to take off on me. All the way to the top side here. I want to see like 715 above 700 is great. NVIDIA going up here. NVIDIA spiking on us. Want to see it continue to take off. Want to see it continue to rip and run up to like 15, guys. There it goes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Want to see it spike to like 15, guys. Want to see it hit that 15 mark. There it goes. Going green, going green, going green. 6 going green.
Order filled.
I just don't trust these highs, guys. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Some of you guys are like, YB, how come, man? You made like a couple bucks. I can't trust these highs, guys. I'm sitting here like, every time I'm like at my chest, bro. Because, like, I'm thinking in my head, like, dude, one of these one of these little dumperuskis will ruin you, man. You don't want to be in those. You don't want to be in those. But, yeah, dude, I'm like, every time I'm like, So, having a blast, though, man. I'm having fun, dude. Having a blast, having fun. And these things could continue to take off. And I wouldn't be against it, man. And I could see it. Just continue to take off. 15 doesn't even look, unrealistic or anything. And yeah, man, I mean, it could just make that trend and that'd be it on the day, All right, let's see it. Billy Trade saying Google 52-week highs. Oh, yeah? Let's check it out. That could be pushing this market up as well. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Yearly highs coming in, man. Is this all-time highs or yearly? Right up to it, guys. About 10 cents off it. 55 is going to be that all-time high, ladies and gentlemen. 55 is going to be your all-time high coming in. I wonder how much Google makes up of NQ. If anyone has that statistic and can let me know, that'd be great. How much does Google make up of NQ truly? That'd be awesome. Appreciate it. But yeah, dude, that is crazy. Nate Trey saying today is going to be another one of those slow melt up days that are just an... Yeah, man, and it's been like that, bro. And it's because of nobody knows. Nobody has certainty, man. Like, nobody's like, okay, I have this point here, I have this point here, I have this point. Everyone's kind of just like, dude, I literally only have the last week of data. Like, I have zero idea what the heck is going on. I don't know what to do. Like, you know, not like don't know what to do, but I don't know the past chart history. So those really long-term traders are starting to take some profit. Other people that are newer to trading are probably starting to hop in. People are probably adding to their positions, expecting it to go higher. It's kind of like that battle. Everyone's just like, you know what I mean? So, and long traders have been winning recently, but yeah, a lot recently. Look at that. Wow. Right over top of 480 like it was nothing. Like it was never even our all-time high, dude. And just kept ripping, bro. So, yeah, dude, I'm 100% with you. A slow melter of a day is probably going to be the exact word I'd use. As you can see here, we literally have a very small wedge window. We did just have a little bit of a lower shadow. Maybe we'll spike back up to those highs. We did it the day before that as well. We had a little bit of a lower shadow, and then we ended up spiking, ripping, and running. So, we'll see if we have a bullish engulfing candle, engulf that little top there, and take off. But this is all spectacle, man. Yeah. And YB's just putting them out there, man. Putting it out there. Because this is all crazy to me, man. This is insane. Like, to take a long-term trade at this high on any play, I can't. Like, look at Google right now, bro. Just broke all-time highs, guys. Just want you to know that. Just broke all-time highs. There it is. Crazy, man. Shout out there to Billy for letting us know that. So right there's that. Boom. Go back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Bin broke all-time highs. Just craziness. NVIDIA shaping out to be another #1 stock for 2024. Or at least Q1 of 2024. Bro. I can't get in. It's overextended. I would have gotten in right here at 10. That would have been fine. Now we're overextended the top side. But what a play. What a freaking play, dude. Like, that is crazy, man. I mean, and you guys asked, why be... Well, what do we do then? What do we do in this situation? Guys, honestly, wait. It's a waiting game, dude. It's patience, man. If you guys aren't in right now on the long side, don't go long. And I cannot say go short. If you go short in this market right now, you might get burned. And you might get burned a little harder than you think. You might think, okay, it's going to come down a little bit and I'll be able to get out or something. Okay, hey, never mind. It's going to continue to go up. Hey, I'm going to get another order here. I'm going to get another order here. One here, one here, one here. And you're just going to blow in your account, bro. Do not go short right now. I mean, you're going against for one, the market. Two, and listen, if S&P spikes up like this, and let's say it does continue to go up and it peaks, comes down, hallelujah to you for catching it. But the smart thing to do is to wait. Not take a long, not take a short, but to wait, right? If you have a key level set out, and I don't know how you do because we've never hit all-time highs like this before, but that's the thing. Like, I don't know where the top will be. Like, if I knew where the top would be, baby, I would not be trading right now. I would be coming back that day and being like, hey, guys, I want you to know, we just hit the high. I'm putting in $100,000 right here, and I will be taking a short, guys. I'll talk to you guys next month. Come back. Oh, hey, guys, yeah, turn that $100,000 into $10 million. Take it easy, guys. See ya. like, I'd be like, dude, I'd probably stream and stuff, but, like, I would not be trading every day, dude. I would literally just take a short off of that all-time high and just call it a day. You know, and this is a great question, guys. My girl asked me yesterday, a great question, man. You ready? Would you guys rather have a Sorry, man. That spike just got me. Would you guys rather have a teleporter or a time machine? Think about it. I said a teleporter. Because I would just, she was like financially. Because I'm like, a time machine, I could go back to 2012 or whatever it was and buy a shit ton of Bitcoin. But here's the thing. Here's the thing with buying a shit ton of Bitcoin and everything, right? Then I have to wait, right? It's a one-way, you only get to do it once. So if you use a time machine, then I have to go back to 2013. I changed my answer. I want to go back to 2013 the more I think about it. Gas prices are down. The air just smells better. All right. The reason I said teleporter is I was like, dude, I can just teleport into like Fort Knox, grab some gold, and get out. You know what I mean? Like, no harm, no foul. But the more I think about it, I would literally just work a 9 to 5 for 1 year, invest every dollar I have into Bitcoin for that 1 year, every dollar I ever make just into Bitcoin, bro. Right? And then I just teleport. If I had a time machine, I would just time machine myself back here. Bink, trillionaire. Bink, trillionaire. World's first trillionaire. I feel like that's what a lot of people would do. But I don't know, man. A teleporter would just be like, think about it. Like, okay, obviously, let's say this instead. A time machine, but it's a one-way trip. It's a one-way trip to wherever you go back to is where you have to stay. You have to stay there. And there's no coming back. Right? So it's like you go back in time to 2013, you put that money in, but let's say you've recently met a girl in the last 7 years or 10 years. Right? You got married in the last 10 years. That person no longer even knows your existence. Right? You're now 10 years you're the same age that you are right now going back. Right? And you're the same age that you are right now. It's not like you go back in time 10 years ago to like to 10 years you younger. No. 10 years ago, you go back and you're the same age now. Think about it, guys. What would you pick? If you met a lady, you met a man recently, you know, you guys got married, had a kid or something in the last 10 years. Guess what? Forget about all that. You're going back 10 years prior, and they'll probably think you're just, you know, some random person coming up to them, being like, I know this sounds weird, but we have 2 kids. We have a house. It's right here in this state. We have 2 dogs. I came back here to make us rich. They'd be like, that person would probably be like, you absolutely need to get away from me right now. I'm calling the police. Please, get away from me. I'm running. Like, I'm gone. I'm out. So, you really think about it, dude. Be like, no, I swear we're married. We are married in another universe. Like, look at me. Remember that time that it's like, no. So, the choice is yours, guys. I'm going to do a poll. Make sure to go vote, guys. We're going to do a poll. I think that's a better idea. This isn't a poll really related to trading, but I just need to know the answer. Guys, so what would you rather have? Would you rather have a teleporter or a time machine? Teleporter? A teleporter, but you only get 1 use. A teleporter, only get 1 use. Oh, shit. Sorry, man. My keys are really tiny, dude. Only get 1 use. Or a time machine, it only goes one way. Only goes one way. And that's back in time. All right. What would you rather have, guys? A time machine or a teleporter? You get 1 use out of the teleporter, so you can go there and get back 1 time. Or would you rather have a time machine, but it only goes one way? So when you go back, you're there. You're going back in time and you're stuck. Make sure to go vote, guys. Make sure to go vote. This is the one we need to have, guys. Now, of every poll you guys have ever done in your life, I want you guys to go vote on this one. This is going to be the best poll. All right? So make sure to go vote. Underneath talk, alerts, profits, users. I don't know where talk went. I lost my talk, guys. Gonna refresh this real quick. Hopefully talk will just appear. There it is. Okay. So make sure to go vote. Right underneath talk, alerts, profits, users, guys. Yeah, buddy. What's up, Intermoon? Hope you're having a great day, bro. All right, guys, right now we got 67% of the chat would rather have the time machine that only goes one way. 33% of the chat would rather have the teleporter that only gets one use. We're going to end the poll. We're going to end the poll at 10. What is it? We're going to do 10:29. You guys have 2 minutes. Make sure to vote, guys. Talk Alerts Profit Users. It'll be right here. Bink. Right? Bink. Vote. And I'll make sure to vote myself. I'll vote at the last second. 67% of the chat would rather have a time machine, huh? Is that really how we're going? Is that how you guys would like it, huh? Nope. You only get one use and you can only go one way. One use and you can only go one way. So, like, if you go back to 2013, you're now stuck in 2013. You get what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So, it's a one-way time machine, bro. Okay, I also might take 5 right here.
Order filled.
We're gonna jump in this. I feel like these highs can touch. Wow, NQ. Oh my goodness, Nvidia. NVDA. That's tough, right? I know, dude, right? Because you could go back to like 2013 and buy Bitcoin and like be rich, right? But then you gotta wait 7 years for it to actually pay out. Time machine with one use is everything going back and just is one of us, what is it, with one use everyone going back and just becoming rich? Yeah, dude, I think that's everyone's mentality. All right, ready? Oh shit, stopping, set. 50-50. Oh fuck, dude, it's so close. I am in this trade. I am looking for those. I mean, Nvidia is just taking off, dude. I'm looking for NQ to just play catch up and just spike up to these new highs. I know we're at them already, but I'm just looking. I'm waiting and watching, guys. I'm looking for S&P to kind of take off as well. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Stopping the poll, guys. Stop the poll. 75% of us would rather have the one-way time machine. 25% of us would rather have that teleporter, guys. That is insane, dude. That is crazy. So many of you guys don't care about your families is what I'm hearing. So many of you guys are like, you know what, YB? Yeah, you know, I know I have a loving, caring family right now, but you know what I could do if I could go back in time? Just for one use. Dude, Nvidia is taking off, man. I really hope NQ can do the same here and continue up. That's what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at NQ to continue to rip and run on us. Taking a look at, oh my goodness. NQ overall also taking off to the top side. S&P getting back up there, guys. Let this thing hold. Want to see it hold up? If not, I'll get out. I would love to see this hold up here. S&P, hold this thing up, baby. Guys. Yeah, hold up. About to get out of this. Let this thing just kind of play out. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm going to get out. I'm going to take 432 on the day, guys. I'm going to take it. Why am I getting out? I just don't want to get caught up in a dumperoo, man. I don't want to get caught up in a dumperoo and be in these highs. Yeah, the more I look at it, it's not worth it. That could have been a dip buy, but I think I'm done on the day then with it. Okay? So up, what is that? 700. Yeah. About $300. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, I know every single one of us would probably just pick the time machine. No, I'm kidding. That doesn't mean you guys don't care about your families. Maybe that means you care about your families. Maybe if you guys go through life exactly how you just did. not only will you be super rich, maybe. Ooh. Never mind. Maybe some of you guys settled for certain things in your life. Maybe you wouldn't settle for those things. Maybe you would understand how hard, how good time is and how much you really don't have. And maybe you guys would go all in on something else besides just Bitcoin. Because, you know, we could all easily get rich just by going back to like 2012 and buying Bitcoin. You know what I mean? I'd be the pizza delivery guy. Let me tell you. You guys hear about that guy that bought Bitcoin? It was like a $20,000 pizza. Or however much Bitcoin's at right now. Because he bought it for like 10,000 Bitcoin or something. I care about my family. If I go back and go rich, I'm for sure giving. Hey, man. Yeah, and that's the thing, dude. That's what I'm thinking, bro. I'm like, yo, 10 years ago, dude, let me tell you. 10 years ago, my current girlfriend would have been 9 years old. It gets really weird now. That's what I'm saying. Right? So, like, she would have been, like, 9 years old, dude. So, like, that's kind of like, you know, I go back 10 years. And you have to be the same age, though. So, when you go back, you're still the same age you are now. Like, that ruins that. Because, you know, you know what I'm saying, guys. Like, it's a little funky, all right? Right? It's not like she's, like, 30 or 40. No, she'd be 9. All right? That gets... Yeah, I'd be looking like a, you know... Let's just say... You know, the island's not bad, yeah. Locker, okay, this guy, dude. Okay, bro, hold on. Let's rewind. Oh, yeah, dude, yeah. Yeah, yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying, dude. So, like, I'm screwed, bro. I'm no Jeff Epstein, all right? Nothing like that, dude. Not to bring him up. But, you know. Yeah, bro. I'm chilling, man. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, dude. I'm like, all right, well, screw any of that, dude. I'm like, I don't know anyone that's like, you know what I mean? Like, dude, I'm 19 now. Imagine going back 10 years from now, dude. Me and Deck are like the same age then, bro. Deck's like 20. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be like, yo, Deck. Yo, buddy. Yo, can I join? He's gonna be like, yo, dude. Yo, 10 years. Was he streaming 10 years ago, bro? Think about it. This isn't even here yet, bro. 10 years ago. Tradecaster, not even here yet, bro. So, like, I mean, dude. It's a day, man. I don't know. That's so, like, mind-boggling, bro. Oh, no, I can't. Fucking. My girl would be 9 years old. I pull up to her parents. I'm like, yo, dude, yeah. So this sounds weird, but, yeah, man. We met before. I would just, can I please take your daughter on a date? Be like, my daughter's 9, you sicko. It's like, no. Trust me. I'll just take her to dinner. Right, we're gonna go get a Happy Meal. Right, I'm like, where do you want to go for dinner? She's like, can we go to McDonald's, get a Happy Meal? I'm just like. Alright, that's enough of that talk. That got really weird really quick. Like, ladies and gentlemen, that 200 day has never been hit today. We're gonna go down and hit it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the game plan. And will we bounce? We will see. I really don't know about today. The selling pressure might come in finally. Literally, finally, dude. Come in. I do think I'm done on the day. Just because, I mean, tomorrow's going to be a better day. There's going to be more opportunity at 8:30 a.m. I'll be live again. And then also, at the time, I think that's it. I think that's our only news on the day is 8:30 a.m., guys. I'm not going to lie. Here, let's go back. Let's go to economic calendar. And I use this a lot. I do use this a lot. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you do check it out. You guys can use it. There's multiple economic calendars. You can just look one up. Literally just look up economic calendar, and I'm sure one will come up. Dude, that looks too good not to take, though. Bounce play.
Order filled.
Bounce play. Stop loss. 7-1. We'll just have to see. You know. Once again, that was that 200-day touch. Yeah, that just looked too perfect not to take, guys. That is like my A+ setup right there. That just hit, and it looks too perfect not to take. Look at that.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it. Why am I taking these small gains? Just because I'm not willing to give it up. I'm not willing to give up any gains on the day. I'm already in the green. I'll add another 50 bucks. 82 bucks. I'll add another 82 bucks on it. Yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah, why not, buddy? Why not, guys? Huh? Huh? Why not? Yeah. So you guys know what I'm saying. All right, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's exit out of that. Let's go here. And let's go to the economic calendar that I was planning on bringing up in the first place. All right. Go back here. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, look at that. Just perfect dip buy. I just didn't want to get caught up in, yes, that is a dip buy. That worked out perfectly. Perfect dip buy strategy. Bink came up, but then it could touch the view up and start to reverse. And that is part of the game, man. That's part of the play. It's like, yeah, that can happen, and that's not erratic. All right. So tomorrow, guys, economic data. The only thing we really have, it seems to be, is going to be that 8:30 a.m., same as today, 8:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. 8:30 a.m. is not as packed as today was. They look the same, but we had bigger news coming out. So we had Q4 GDP, initial jobless claims, durable goods, you know what I mean? Advanced retail and advanced wholesale investors. So, inventories. What do we have tomorrow? We have personal income, personal spending, which, I mean, may affect the market in a pretty good way. But if I go here, I go to tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, a little bit less, but not that bad. So core PCE is really going to be the high impact. And then what is it? Personal income's going to be the other one. That's really all we have. And then, home sales at 10 a.m. So it's going to be another good move. So that's why I'm showing up tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. If you guys missed a move this morning, you can show up tomorrow morning as well, and you'll be able to catch that one on one way or another, dude. I mean, they usually are pretty cleaner moves, I'll say. So, like, S&P here, look at that. So, you got your dump down. You broke this high. You could have got long there. What was my game plan is kind of that right there. So, I went long off the rip. Got stopped out, and then took another long right off it. And took my profit here and here, right? You could have rode it out longer and just kept adjusting your stop loss, which is what I did on the initial 5 right here. I just kept adjusting my stop, but eventually it did come down and hit, which I think it would on a lot of people's, unless they keep it, like, right here. But, Yep, and it's been a great day. I have no complaints. Great dip buy opportunity just presented itself, guys. Once again, the only reason I keep talking about this video, I don't care, right? I mean, obviously, I'm not monetized on YouTube or anything, so I will never be able to make money off that video, right? So I'm doing this solely for the benefit of you guys. Go check out that YouTube video I posted and see exactly how I have an A+ setup all for this VWAP, all for the 200 with the 50 and the 9, okay? Go check it out. I literally don't make money off it. I don't benefit. There's no ads in it. I don't get ad revenue. I'm not sponsored, right? So literally all it does is benefit you guys. That's why I posted it, just so you guys can see it, right? If you guys want to support, maybe I'll come out with like a Patreon, or I think the donates button's there. I mean, you can hit that too. I mean, but once again, I don't need it. I'm good. We're good. And it'll just go towards your YB consulting session. So that's how I'm working that donate button. Everything goes towards YB Consulting. You get free sessions and stuff like that. Oh, I might do that, though, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thinking that. Who wants to do that, man? We'll do it tomorrow for Fun Friday. Who wants to do a little giveaway, huh? Who wants to do a little giveaway? You guys down? Guys, I think we're doing it. I think we'll do it tomorrow. Guys, tomorrow, we'll say at 11 a.m., we're going to be doing a giveaway, ladies and gentlemen. I'll figure it out. I don't know. Maybe I'll switch it up because Deck does 100K give. Okay, hold on. Rewind, brother. Hold on. Rewind, brother. Let's chill out. You're like, oh, YB, yeah, you're going to give us $100,000 cash. That's the giveaway we want. We don't want to give away unless it's $100,000 cash delivered to our doorstep. I'm just like, I was thinking like maybe a gift card to like Turkey Hill. You know, it's like, no, guys. So it'll be things like cash or a funded account. Yeah, there you go. I am down for that, ladies and gentlemen. I will be throwing some of those in there. So maybe I'll throw in a 150K funded account on Apex. Maybe I'll throw in a 50K funded account on Apex. Maybe I'm going to throw in some YB consulting sessions, right? Some free 1 hour one-to-one sessions, right? That's going to be valued at about $250. So you get a $250 package. Maybe I'll throw in, not like deck, $1,000 cash, but I'll throw in $100 cash. I got you guys. I'm throwing $100 cash on that board. We'll throw in things. It's going to be worth your time coming in. And only thing I ask is you do one of two things. Only thing I ask to be entered. And I can see everyone that does it. It's okay. So I can see everyone that's already done it. So you guys are already entered. But make sure you guys come over here. And where it says hosted here, make sure you guys click subscribe. And then if you guys want to, if you guys are feeling gracious, feeling good to me, you guys can go over to good old youtube.com. Look up Yeah Buddy 444. Yeah Buddy 444. Hit enter. Okay, well, that didn't come up. Maybe you just gotta look up Yeah Buddy. Or honestly, guys, if you want to make it simpler. Oh, it's literally just Yeah Buddy. Okay. I have the 444 in there. It's not there yet. If you guys want to make it as simple as possible, you guys bring it over here. You see where it says open stream a new window? Click on that. It'll bring you straight into it. And let me hold on real quick. Oops. Give me 1 second, guys. Exit out of that. There you go. Mute that. There you go. And then just hit that good old subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. I can see everyone that subscribes. You guys will instantly be entered. That's the only thing I ask. And everyone that does that, I will be able to see. And you guys, you know, I'm gonna do a random name generator thing, or I'm literally just gonna scroll through. After I can add all of you guys into like a spreadsheet, and maybe I'll scroll through, do like a random generator, and bada bing, bada boom, baby, you guys will be entered. And that's it. That's all I request, guys. So it's as easy as clicking 2 buttons, and you're in. So if you click 2 buttons, if you click the one, you're in. If you subscribe on Tradecaster, you're in. If you subscribe on YouTube, you're in. If you subscribe on both, you get 2 entries. So that's the game plan. And I'll be picking, I think we're going to do either 3 or 5 winners. So we're going to do 3 or 5 winners, ladies and gentlemen, on a random wheel spin. And yeah, buddy. So going to be doing some giveaways tomorrow, giving back to you guys. First one. And yeah, man, I love it, man. So ladies and gentlemen, with the time being 10:45 a.m., guys, I'm excited, man. Tomorrow's going to be a day. It's going to be Fun Friday trading, man. It's going to be an absolute blast over here at Tradecaster.com with Yeah Buddy. Giveaways going on at 11 a.m. Got market running all the way from 8:30 a.m. We're going to be on. We're going to be crazy the whole day. Woo! Yeah, buddy. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're hyped, if you're excited for tomorrow, you're up on the day, you're green, you're staying disciplined, hit me with a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. Inner Moon, it's going to be at 11 a.m. EST, guys. Inner Moon, 11 a.m. EST. Yeah, buddy. Love you all. Take care. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Stay up there.
She
Stay
tells
up
him
there.
your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to
Stay up there.
do.
Stay up
So
there.
rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye, no.
Rock-a-bye, rock-a-rock-a-rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye, rock-a-rock-a-rock-a-bye. Single mom, what you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no, mama, you never shed tear. Cause you have to set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Already pops disappear. In a wrong bar, can't find him nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know, so you're not stop. No time for your dear.
Now she got a 6-year-old trying